Hello dear ones, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa and today is another video of sewing and DIYs. I hope you watch till the end of this video and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sew a simple off-shoulder dress for kids. Let's start sewing. This is the fabric that I use and I already cut the pieces that I will be working on. This will be the bodice of the dress with lining. This will be the ruffle. This is for the skirt and this is the strap. Now I will sew the bodice together with the lining, right sides facing together. Just making cuts on the armpit area so it will have a nice curve. And then when flipping, I also did a top stitch. And the bodice looks like this. Next, I will sew the ruffle of the dress. At the bottom part of the ruffle, I'm just doing a zigzag stitch. And on the upper area, I'm just doing a basic stitch for about 1/2 inches and also leaving a gap so I can insert the elastic. So this is the elastic. Now I will insert it to the ruffle of the dress. After inserting the elastic, I stitch the open gap to close. For the strap, I just made one long thin strap and just divided into 4 pieces. This is the upper part of the bodice. I'm just doing a zigzag stitch before I attach the ruffle together with the strap. While sewing the ruffle to the bodice, I'm just stretching it a little because of the elastic. So the upper part of the dress will look like this. Now for the skirt of the dress, I'm doing a French stitch. I did wrong side facing together, then stitch. Then I flip it, right side facing together and then stitch. This will have a very neat finishing. Then after that, I just did a basic stitch and start gathering the skirt. After gathering, I attach the skirt to the bodice and sew. Then I did zigzag stitch for a nice finishing. And I just did a simple hem on the lower part of the skirt. It is done and this is the final look.